afternoon. What's new? Working today on the theme of, are we getting the best value for money for what we are already spending? And in this session, I'm investigating this from the point of view of us as project managers, initiative owners, etc. The people who are actually on the coalface making this stuff happen, responsible for outcomes. And all too often, we're on projects where we, at some point or another, sadly all too often at the outset, but increasingly and varyingly through the project, have a view that we are actually not working to achieve the most effective outcomes that are possible. We're working to do it, but the scope that we have, the project as it has been authorised at some fixed point in time, no longer represents the best value for money that the organisation can achieve. And yet we are charged with faithfully continuing to work to its agreed conclusion. And in many organisations, the structure, authorisation and governance that's in place is designed around that concept of a fixed agreed outcome. And yet we speak of learning organisations, adaptive organisations. Increasingly at some levels we are practicing agile behaviours, technology development level, in some organisations at a business level. These agile behaviours are trying to unlock that fixed point in time, we know the complete answer and we will never be wrong, that is what we must achieve logic. It's saying that as we work on a project we learn, and as we learn, the best thing we can do in many instances is shift the goalposts to where they need to be, shift the milestones to where they need to be, so long as we are still achieving an agreed return on investment, that we are bringing our stakeholders with us, that where there are significant changes in the outcomes, that they are re-cleared. Now, many organisations are set up with that re-clearing process, that reaching back out to stakeholders and saying, we have learnt and adapted, is very difficult. And it is a real challenge on us as project managers to be able to make that communication effectively, not as a blame exercise, but as a learning improvement exercise. And the language really needs to be that's under that, are we getting the greatest value for money for what we are already spending?